2018 Chevrolet Colorado. With less than 28,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. You'll love this long list of impressive amenities, which include the following: backup camera, 4-wheel drive, power driver seat, Bluetooth, front bucket seats, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, adjustable steering wheel, daytime running lights, traction control, air conditioning, ABS, power locks, front side airbag, front side head airbag, rear side head airbag, 4-wheel disc brakes. Visit us today. Your dream car is waiting.